Okay, so this is our progress so far. So far we finished the robot. We'll need to add a few finishing touches because like here it's slightly open and under as well. It's still quite open. And other than that, like we're pretty much done with the robot. Like this is the wheel in order to choose the numbers, and then what'll happen is that it'll open up this box through this motor. And so it's all really quite well done. Okay, this is another progress video. So what happened is that we finished the actual build that they gave us, but we found that it was quite unstable. So we added this bar as well as these two smaller like twisting bars in order to keep it supported when we need to modify it from the bottom. And as you can see, so here it holds, and then here it also holds. And so what we did was that we added this and this and this because we found that there was too much space, and that if we wanted to put in some slightly smaller things to keep safe, that it wouldn't hold. Now what we could do is we could add one more here or something like that, but we'll see that for later. Right now we're done with this and we have to work on the program. Okay, so here we've got the whole program, and so what happened was that we installed it. And so how it works is that the first time you install it, it says please enter combo or something similar to that, and then you enter it for the first time, meaning that's when you set it. So you set the combo, and so now, seeing as it's 4, then because it can go up to 50, so it's 4, then you press enter, then 15, 15, and then it's 9. But let's say that you get it wrong, okay? 4, 15, 4. Press that. Invalid combo. So you start again. So 4, 15, and 9. It's perfect. Now we just gotta see where we can change. Okay, so the program is really glitching right now, but we're trying to edit it in our own way to make it so that after 3 attempts it stops completely. So what we tried was that we tried adding, like re-adding the if you set the code, then if you get it wrong, it does this. And so adding it 3 times into 3 different like ifs. And so it would be like a variable of true or false, but that didn't seem to work. And so I think it's because it lacked the whole previous program, and so it's like doing the if would set it separate, like aside into another one, and into another kind of like a section, so it wouldn't fit all together. And so that didn't work. So what I tried doing was, instead of doing that, I tried doing a loop of 3, but that had the same effect. I didn't really realize it until now. And so it's not downloading. The problem is that when you link it to the actual box, it doesn't download. It says error. So now what we're gonna try, seeing as it's a glitch, but when it unglitches, we're gonna try and make it so that it's a loop for the whole program 3 times, and then if you get it wrong, then it continues towards the, like, it continues afterwards, because if you get it right, then it stops all anyways, so that would most likely work. So now we just managed to finish it. What I did was that instead of going through the whole process of adding another loop towards this, like to make the whole thing loop again within the loop, I just made it so that this loop is changed to a count, and I changed it to counts of 4, but you can change it to a lower count. It's probably gonna be 3, 0, 1, 0, I think. And so at the end, what it's gonna do is that it's gonna clear the screen, and it's gonna say locked, and then it's gonna do the goodbye sound. Now that we can change it whether we want to or not, and then it'll stop everything. That's it. Okay, so now that we're done, we added spoilers just to make it look fancy. So we close it and we'll lock it. And so now we're gonna reset the code just so that we can do it from the beginning. So we take LitBox 2. This is the one that we edited, and we run it. So now we start combo. We'll do 0, 1, 1, and then 0. So that's our combo. So then we press enter to continue. Now this is where it says enter combo. So now let's say we do it wrong. We do 0, 0, or yeah, sorry. Okay, 0, 17, and then 0, or 2. Okay, invalid combo, whichever it is, whatever it is, it's wrong. Now, if we do it 4 times wrong, okay, so that was the first time, this is the second, this is the third, and then the last one, see, it says locked. So after that, it locks it completely, you know, you can't get it into it. So now, we do it again, we get the combo, so 0, 1, 0, then it opens up like that. So this motor first runs so that it can unlock it from here, and then this large motor runs so that it can actually open it. Now spoilers stop it slightly here, but it's good because it leaves a small enough opening to add the spinners or the fidget cube and whatever we want to keep. And then whatever it is, we put it in and we just close it like this. And see, there's a small space here where you can still add stuff because it blocks it from the 2 sidebars over here and over here. And that's it.